We were solving Millmans theorem here. I just repeat for the recording purpose. According to the Millmans theorem, the given circuit has to be simplified to a single voltage source and a single resistor. Using Millmans theorem, find the current through load R is equal to 10 ohm. So Millmans theorem states that if there are voltage source series to resistor and such combinations are connected in parallel, then it can be replaced by a single voltage source and a single resistor. Now, according to the question, how many branches are there with voltage source series to resistor? How many branches are there, guys? Voltage source series to resistor. How many branches are there?
3.
3 branches are there. So we have to find the RL. So these 3 branches can be replaced with, we will call it as EM, and this is ZM. Okay. We can replace these 3 branches with an equivalent voltage source EM and equivalent source ZM, and RL remains as it is as 100. So we need to, after once we find this circuit EM and ZM, then finding RL current, finding the current through RL is not tough. This is 10 ohm, right? Sorry, this is 10 ohm. Okay. Finding current through RL is not at all difficult. Our interest is to now find what is EM and ZM. Where can we find EM and ZM? The branches, there are 3 branches, voltage source series to resistor. The 3 branches can be replaced by a single voltage source EM and a single impedance ZM. You all understand now? Yes? So what is the EM ka formula we had discussed yesterday? Formula, what we had come to conclusion. What is it? Can someone tell me? What was EM? EM was
summation 1 to n EI YI by summation 1 to n
summation I is equal to 1 to n EI into YI divided by summation I is equal to 1 to n YI. And what was ZM? ZM was 1 by Y equivalent. And what is Y equivalent? Summation I is equal to 1 to n YI, right? Yes? Did you all get this? We had discussed this yesterday. So we will make it much simpler now. So if I want to find this EM, so first we'll find what is Y1. So let me take Z1 is equal to 5 ohm. So what is Y1? Y1 is 1 by 5. All of you getting this? Z2 is 12 ohm. So Y2 is 1 by 12. You can call it as R2 also instead of Z because no inductor and capacitors are there. Then Z3 is how much? 4 ohms. So Y2 will be 1 by 4. Sorry, Y3 will be 1 by 4 ohms. Then what is E1, E2, E3? E1 is equal to 22 volts. E2 is equal to 48 volts. And E3 is equal to 12 volts. So we have all the data now. We have to apply the formula. What is EM? EM is equal to E1 into Y1. E1 is how much? 22. Okay, I will just write the formula. Then next. There are 3 branches, so I am applying E1 into Y1 plus E2 into Y2 plus E3 into Y3. Got? I have expanded the summation. What is the n value here? N value is only 3 because only 3 branches are there. Did you all understand, guys? N value is 3 because only 3 branches are there. Divided by, what should I write at the below? Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. And what is ZM, guys? Can you expand ZM? ZM is equal to 1 by Y equivalent. So what is Y equivalent? Summation of this. So Y equivalent is equal to Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. So we need to find all these values now. Are you following what I'm trying to explain, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Likit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is E1, Likit? We will apply in the formula. What is E1? E1 value
22.
ಏನಿದೆ? 22.
22.
Y1 value?
Y1 1/5 ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. ಮತ್ತೆ E2 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 48, Y2 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1/12. E3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 12. Y3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1/4 divided by Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 1/12 plus 1/4 plus plus 1/5, right? 1/5 plus Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. Tell me, what do you get this value? It is better we find Y equivalent first. Things will become easy. What do you get this value, guys? EM? I'm waiting for the answer. Nitin Jain is there? Nitin Jain, can you tell me the answer?
1 minute, I'm doing.
Oh, good.
Ma'am, is it 21.3?
21.37.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, 21.
EM is equal to 21.37 volts. Okay. We have to find ZM, right? So first, it was good we would have found Y equivalent first. It would have been easier. What is Y equivalent? 1/5. Y1 is 1/5 plus 1/12 plus 1/4. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ Y equivalent?
0.53.
And what is ZM? ZM is 1/Y equivalent. So what do you get?
1.87.
1.87. Oh. So we will write the final circuit with the final circuit with the values. So this is how our final circuit would be. We know the EM value. We know the, oh sorry, yaar, I am writing in the same thing. Shit. I don't know how to change it. Okay. We got ZM is equal to, hope you all got the same, 1/Y equivalent, which is equal to 1.87 ohm. Okay, next we are writing this circuit, final circuit, minus plus resistor, and we have this RL. What is the value of RL? 10 ohm. And this is 1.87. And this is 21.37. Question is, find the current through 10 ohm. Find the current through 10 ohm. What is current? Current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. They have not given the direction condition. So I can take any direction. Their interest is to only to find the current through the 10 ohm. So I am doing I is equal to V by R. So what do we get? V is equal to 21.37 divided by 1.87 plus 10. So what do you get current?
21.4.
21. No.
No, ma'am.
1.8. Current is 1.8. All of you got the same? All of you got the same, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will be very quick. Will Mahesh is come online? Is Mahesh online? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahesh asked me about AC circuits. Yeah. Are your doubts clear with AC circuits?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll take one more very simple problems again in this second problem. Twelve kilo ohm, 48 volts, 2 kilo ohm. Find output voltage E naught. Find output voltage E naught using Millmans theorem. Using Millmans theorem. This is the given problem. How many branches are there? How many branches are there in the given example? How many branches are there?
Three.
Okay, one second. Hello. Class. Print out the code. Ravi sir mail ಮಾಡಿ. There are three branches here. So we will, these three branches should be replaced by an equivalent circuit. Let me call it as something like this. This is an equivalent circuit we will have with 2 kilo ohm parallel to this, because 2 kilo ohm doesn't have any voltage, so series to resistance. So we will do like this. This is where we need to find our E naught. Question is to find V naught. So this is Zm and this is Em. So we have to find this Em and Zm. So who will tell me the formula now? Prajwal Natraj. Unmute Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Prajwal, the formula ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗು EM. So we remember the formula. It should be E1 Z1. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? What is E1?
48 volts.
So I will write it. What is Y1? Y1 is 1 by 12 kilo ohm and Y2 is 1 by 6 kilo ohm and Y3 is 1 by 4 kilo ohm. First we will find Y equivalent. It will be easy step. What is Y equivalent? Y1
plus
plus
Y2 plus
Y2
Y3.
plus Y3. Please tell me this answer. What is the answer for this?
5 into 10 power minus 4.
5 into 10 power minus 4. Actually, you have to write like this admittance symbol. So now I have to find EM. You know, EM is E1 into Y1. So E1 is how much? 48. Tell me, Prajwal, into 1 by 12K. Then?
And plus 60 into 1 by 6K.
Then?
Minus 20 into 1 by 4.
Very good. See, just watch out here because voltage source is connected in reverse direction. I'm taking it minus 20. Highlighting part is only this. That's why I took this problem. Divided by Y equivalent. We know already the Y equivalent value. So I will directly write it. Y equivalent, whose value is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 moles. Okay. This is nothing but Y equivalent. So I've done directly y1 plus y2 plus y3. Can someone tell me EM value now? EM value? Kumaran? Kumaran is there?
Ma'am, is it
Here
is
come.
it 80?
18 volts, correct. EM is 18 volts. Zm will be 1 by Y equivalent. So what do you get? One by 6K.
Ma'am,
No, sorry, 1 by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. What do you get?
2 into 10 power 3.
2 into 10 power 3 is 2 kilo ohms. Right? So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
we will draw the circuit. I am adjusting here only. Final step. Change the color. Okay. So the final circuit is this. And I need to find the value. 2 kilo ohm. And this is also 2 kilo ohm. And this voltage is 18 volts. But interest is to find E naught here. I have to find E naught here. Without using formula, can someone tell me what will be the value of 2 kilo ohm, voltage across 2 kilo ohm? Without using any formula. Can
18
someone?
watt.
18 volts. Okay. How can you tell how 18 volts?
Ma'am, 18 volt is flowing through the circuit now, ma'am.
18 volts doesn't flow. Current flows. Voltage doesn't flow. Voltage is the potential at that point. Terminology use madbekare, you should be very careful. 18 volts cannot flow. Voltage doesn't flow. Voltage is because of its position. Current flows. ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ voltage flows ಅಂತ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Current flows. Voltage is at that point. ಅದೇ position ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ value ಅದು. Because when you define a potential, it is defined with respect to a point. Potential at this point antane. That is what you studied in your school days. Anybody else trying? That's okay. Or if you go wrong, it is maximum you go wrong. You lose nothing out of it. Hello? Can somebody try this? Hello?
I'm 9 volts.
How 9 volts?
Ma'am, because the resistor values are same, the voltage gets divided between those two.
Yeah. When two resistors are of two same values, then the voltage divides equally between them. That is out, right? Voltage divider, you apply voltage divider formula also, you get it as same. E naught is equal to 9 volts. You want formula? So how's the formula going out? See, this is the total voltage. So I want to find the voltage drop. So the voltage drop, E naught is equal to total voltage into 2 kilo ohm divided by 2K plus 2K. You get the same. When two resistors are of equal size, the voltage divides equally between them. This formula need not be used for this. E naught is equal to 9 volts. Okay, we'll take up next problem. Shall I proceed? Any student who is not understanding? Let me know, yaar. How many of you are ready to come offline classes? I think Rajneesh will not come down, right, Rajneesh? If you have noted, I'll go to the third problem, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third problem. Using Millmans. Find current flowing. Find current through 4 plus J3 ohm. I'm reading out the values because I've written very small. First branch is 10 at an angle 30 amps. Okay. Okay, first branch is 10 at an angle 30. 10 at an angle 30 amps. Second is 10 J10 ohms. Third branch is 4 J3 ohms. Next branch is 5 at an angle 30 volts, 5 ohms. And next is current source of 4 at an angle minus 30. Fourth branch is 3 ohm minus J4 ohm. Question is to find using Millmans theorem, find the current flowing through 4 plus J3 ohm. That means I am highlighting here. This is, I will change the color and highlight. This is a branch where we need to find the voltage, find the current. I have to find the current flowing through this branch. That means the rest of the branches should be simplified. The rest of the branches should be simplified. How do we simplify? Millmans theorem statements will tell that voltage source series to resistor. But what is the problem here? What should we do? Priyank, Kumaran? Kumaran is there? Kumaran is there? Unmute Kumaran. Kumaran full name, you know? What's the full name of Kumaran? Hariharanna. Did I mute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he's not answering. Pratik is there? Pratik, unmute Pratik. Unmute Pratik. Bad, yaar, very bad. This really. Prashant is there? Prashant? Prashant N. Rahul L. Rahul L. Oh, very disturbing, yeah. Very, very bad. Nitin P. Nitin P.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitin, how do we solve this? We know Millmans theorem should have voltage source series to resistor. So how do we solve this issue here? There is no voltage source in the second branch and there is only one current source. How do we do this? Nitin, how do we try this? How do we approach this solution? We can solve this by doing source transformation. You can do the source transformation for this and source transformation of this, and then you will get voltage source series to resistor. What do you get here? This is 10 ohm, J10 ohm. What is the voltage source you get here? Can you tell me? It is 10 at an angle 30 into this. 10 into J10. Tell me the value what you get. 10 at an angle 30 into 10 into J10. What is the voltage source? This will be equivalent to 10 at an angle 30 into 10 plus J10. So what do you get? What do you get that value? What do you get that value, guys? This is 5 at an angle 30. This is 5 ohm.
Minus 50 plus 50 root 3.
Minus 50 plus 50 root 3. 50 root 3
Plus
now.
50 plus 50 root 3i.
Put it in decimal or some value. Numbers easier with calculation.
Oh, yes, ma'am. 36.60 plus 136.60i.
36.60 plus
136.60i.
16i. Okay, last one you check code. Look at the current source direction. This current is minus plus this voltage source. The last one, current is flowing downwards. So be careful. Polarity will be minus plus like this. So 3 ohm minus J4 ohm. Tell me this value of the voltage. Huh?
Ma'am, I did not get that answer, ma'am.
You did not get 36.60.
Yes, ma'am.
So you just do 10 at an angle 30 into 10 plus 10i in your calculator in complex mode.
Ma'am, 0.68 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 0.68 minus 0.18 ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದ. ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು. Anybody else?
No, ma'am. 36.6 plus 136.6i.
Yes,
I will verify. Correct.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 36.6 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Verify your key. Maybe you have kept in radian modes. That is also possible. Check out. Okay. This is 36.60 plus 136.6i. Okay. The next one. What do you get the voltage source? 3 ohm minus J4 ohm into 4 at an angle minus 30. What do you get?
2.39 minus 19.85i.
2.39 plus 19.89i.
Minus.
Minus 19.89.
85.
85. Okay. Now we need to just apply the formula. First we will find Z equivalent. So Z, or we will find first Y equivalent. What is Y equivalent? 1 by 10 plus J10. This is Y1. You understand, right? Y1 plus what is Y2? 1 by 5. And what is Y3? 1 by 3 minus J4. Find Y equivalent. Find Y equivalent. Answer is there? Okay, I will give the formulas and I will just verify certain contents. And EM is equal to, I would have written the formula E1. E1 is what? 36.60 plus 136.6i into Y1. Y1 is 1 by 10 plus J10 plus Y2 is 5 at an angle 30 into 1 by 5 plus, what is it? Another value is 2 point, not plus, it is minus now. Minus 2.39 minus 19.85i into, what is the value? 3 minus J4. 1 divided by 3 minus J4. 1 divided by Y equivalent, whatever you get. This is your EM formula. Find this. It is all about calculation, calculator usage only. What did you get Y equivalent, guys? Someone answer me. What is
0.37 plus 0.119.
0.37 plus 0.119. So here also it will be this. Now find the solution for this. Answer for this. Hope you have all noted the numbers. I will call few names, and whoever calls, then whomever I call, please share your screen, turn on the video and show your notes. Okay. Nitin J, turn on the video. Nitin J, turn on the video. Nitin J, turn on the video. Nitin J is video, but I'm not able to see Nitin. Your video is on. Can you show the notes to the screen? But I'm not able to see Nitin.
Ma'am, I'm showing the notes only, ma'am.
No, I want here right now. Prajwal is speaking. Where is Nitin? Nitin, if your video is on, it should be showing here to me.
Ma'am, I am showing it, ma'am.
Okay, wait, it's taking some time. Today's class? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am, today's class.
Let's stop it. Okay, done. You can turn off the video. Thank you. Then Prithvi is there? Prithvi? Prithvi, turn on your video, Prithvi. Prithvi, turn on your video. Prithvi is not there. Rahul L. Rahul L is also not there. Kumaran is not there. Pratik is not there. Manu? Manu? Manu is there? Manu is there? Manu is also not there. And whoever is friend of Nagashree, ask her to call me. Suhas is there? Suhas Subramanya? Are you there, Suhas? Suhas is there? Suhas Subramanya is not there. Kiran N? Kiran N is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Kiran N video on madma. Kiran N video on madu. Meantime, tell me what is EM value did you get? Ella bit try again. What is EM value?
Ma'am, 20.57 plus 14.12 I.
All of you got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
What is Z equivalent then?
2.48 minus 0.73 I.
Minus 0.73 I. Okay. Last step is what? Last step is you need to have one ZM, another is EM, and the branch is 4 plus J3 ohm. 4 and J3 ohm. So what is current I? Current I is equal to EM divided by ZM plus 4 plus J3. You have to do this. You will get the answer. We were speaking to Kiran N. Kiran N, please show me your
Ma'am,
notes.
your screen is struck, ma'am.
Huh?
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಅದು
Next page. Shit. I did. So this is what? We need to find I, which is equal to E by EM by ZM plus 4 plus J3. What is the value we get? This is our I. Calculate this. That will be your final answer. For this, I will be closing Millmans theorem. You understand, Millmans theorem is very simple. You have to just keep applying the formula, identify the branches. Nitin also did not, Kiran and also did not show it. So next class, at least tomorrow's class, I want.
I showed, ma'am. Nitin,
Hello,
I showed
Nitin,
you.
can't I tell you, no? On
Ma'am, ಆಗ್ಲೇ ತೋರ್
Nitin ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಿರಣ್ ಎನ್ನು
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಕಿರಣ್ ಎನ್ನು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಕಿರಣ್ ಎನ್ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಪ ನೀನು somebody got the answer I value. We'll close the class.
3.5 plus 0.95 m I.
3.5 plus 0.599. All of you got the same?
Ma'am, 0.95.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanta ilvaleno? Okay, that's it for the day. But Kiran and I will be connected. Rest of you can end the meeting. So I've stopped recording. Kiran,